In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Gemini on lock screen. If you've been seeing Gemini appear on your lock screen and you prefer to keep that space clear or a bit more private, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn it off. We'll keep it simple and straightforward, and I'll explain what each step does so you know exactly what's changing. First, open the Gemini app on your device. Give it a moment to load fully so you're on the main home screen. This is the hub where you usually start new chats or see suggestions. Opening Gemini is important because the setting we need lives inside the app itself. Next, tap the profile icon. You'll typically find this in the top corner of the screen, and it usually looks like a small person's silhouette or your account avatar. The profile area groups your personal preferences and account-related options, and it's the quickest route to the app's deeper controls. From there, tap Settings. This takes you to the control center for how Gemini behaves. Settings is where you can fine-tune the experience, and the lock screen option we want is located here so you can turn it on or off whenever your needs change. Now, tap Gemini on lock screen. This section is dedicated to how Gemini integrates with your device's lock screen. It's designed for fast access, great for quick prompts without fully unlocking, but not everyone needs that level of visibility, especially if you're focused on privacy or prefer a clean lock screen. Finally, toggle it off. When you flip this switch, Gemini will no longer appear or be accessible directly from the lock screen. The change is immediate. You can still use Gemini normally once you unlock your device and open the app, so you're not disabling Gemini as a whole, just removing the lock screen shortcut. A few quick notes to help you feel confident about this change. Turning off Gemini on the lock screen won't affect your saved chats, your account, or your ability to start new conversations once you're inside the app. It simply keeps your lock screen free of Gemini access. If you ever want the convenience back, just return to the same spot and toggle it on again. That's all there is to it. Open Gemini, go to your profile, head into Settings, choose Gemini on lock screen and switch it off. Clear, quick, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tailor Gemini to fit the way you use your device.